So let's start with question number 13. Construct the circumcircle of an isosceles triangle whose one of the equal side, means two equal sides of an isosceles triangle whose one of the equal side is given. Okay. And the vertical angle is 84 degree. Vertical angle and one of the equal side is given, and you have to draw an isosceles triangle, and after that we have to draw its circumcircle as we have done in this question number 12. Let's see how. In this question you have to draw an isosceles triangle whose two equal sides are given, means these two equal sides 3.5, suppose these two are equal. So a vertical angle is this 84 degree given, but this two angle we don't know. So if you will take this two angle as x, because it is isosceles triangle, so both the angles will also be equal. So x and x plus 84 is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property, we will find out the angle x, that is 48 degree, like this. Okay, both the angles will be 48 degree, this also and this also. But one of the equal side is given, so you will have to draw first this side, because this side is not given, only one of the equal side is given, that is 3.5 centimeter. So how to draw this kind of question? This type of question is given in question number isosceles triangle, question number 6 also. Question number 6 also you have to draw like this only, but in this circumcircle you don't have to draw, but only isosceles triangle. Okay, so side AB first we will draw of 3.5 centimeter, and we will make two angle 84 degree and 48 degree. Okay, so 84 degree and 48 degree you will have to draw with the help of protractor only. Okay, first we will take 3.5 centimeter side. This is 3.5 centimeter, keep its name as AB. And we have to draw two angles 84 degree and 48 degree, because we are going to draw, we have drawn this side. Okay, okay, now at point A 84 degree we will draw. 84 degree you will draw with the help of protractor only. Okay, keep your protractor properly. 84. This is 80 and 85. This is 84. Join this 2 point, and this side we will draw 48 degree. 48 degree. Between 40 and 50, 48 will be this. Okay, so we will join this point. This is an isosceles triangle whose two sides are given, that is 3.5 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. This side should be equal to 3.5. Yes, it is exactly coming equal to 3.5 only. Okay, these two sides are equal. Now we have to draw its circumcircle. Circumcircle means the circle, the triangle will be inside the circle. We have to draw a circle around it. How? As I have shown you in question number 12, in this we have to bisect the two sides, any two sides, this side or this side. But how you will bisect the two sides? We will take more than half of this two side. Suppose this is half, more than half means half से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा. You can take any distance, but it should be more than half. Okay, this is more than half. Cut two arc like this, and this two arc is intersecting, and you have to join this intersecting point like this. This is divided into two equal half. This is perpendicular bisector. Now you have to bisect this side also, AC. So it's also more than half you will take. Okay, this is more than half. You can cut one arc here. one arc here, and then you will put your compass here, one arc here and one arc here. Now you have to join its intersecting points. First you will point out, okay, and after that put the scale properly and join the intersecting point. You can see this is also perpendicular bisector of this side. This side is divided into two equal half. Now you can see here it is intersecting. This two perpendicular is intersecting here. This is called circumcenter. You have to take the center O and radius will be equal to what? OA, OC and OB. All this distance will be equal. Now you have to take this radius and draw a circle like this. And this circle, this triangle will be inside this circle. And triangles, all the three vertex are intersecting this circle, touching this circle's boundary, circumference. Got it? Simple. Now question number 14. Question number 14 is saying construct a right angle triangle whose one side is 4.5 centimeter and the hypotenuse is 7 centimeter. First we have to draw a right angle triangle. One of the side is given. Right angle triangle means angle is 90 degree. One of the angle will be 90 degree. Two sides are given and draw in center. Only you have to draw in center. You don't have to draw the circle. In circle not. In center only. How? Let's see here. This is a right angle triangle. Rough sketch is very necessary to draw. Okay. So this is a right angle triangle. One of the side is 4.5 centimeter and the hypotenuse is given 7 centimeter. Here we will draw a right angle triangle, that is 90 degree. Okay. First we will draw the side BC. So let's draw. BC is 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter. Here to here. Join it. Now we will draw 90 degree at point B. You know how to draw 90 degree? Make one arc. Put your compass here. Make another arc. Always use your compass and scale properly. Keep it straight. You have to join these two intersecting point. Okay, this is 90 degree and you have to draw hypotenuse 7 centimeter. So we will open the compass up to 7 centimeter. centimeter exactly. Okay. Now put your compass here and cut at this 90 degree 7 centimeter because it is a hypotenuse. So we will 90 degree opposite side is hypotenuse. We will join this two point. Okay. Now you have to draw its in center. How to draw in center, students? I have taught you. In circle we will bisect this two angle and then intersecting point will be the in center. Okay. So see how to bisect. To bisect we will draw an arc here. Okay. Then measure the angle like this. Cut an arc here. Put your compass here. Cut another arc here. Put properly. Okay. And you have to join this intersecting point. Similarly, we will bisect this angle also. First we will draw an arc, measure this cut an arc here, cut another arc here, this intersecting point and this point you have to join. Okay, join. This is intersecting at point O. This is your center of that circle. You can draw here perpendicular also. That will give you the radius to draw the in circle. But in center you have to show only this much. This is the in center. Okay. So question number up to 14 we have done. Now you have to complete your question number 1 to 14 properly. We will start data handling next day. Okay. Question number 6, student. You have to draw isosceles triangle whose one of the side is given and vertical angle is 40 degree. It is just same like this question number 13. Vertical angle is given. You can find out this 2 angle and then draw this side and 2 angles. Okay. And then you have to draw the isosceles triangle. In this question number 6, you don't have to draw the circumcircle knot. Only the isosceles triangle you have to draw. Okay. I hope you can do all the questions of this exercise now. Next day, next chapter. Okay.